Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vision by Anshika. My name is Anshika and I am from Uttar Pradesh, Azamgarh district. Guys, this is day 5 of learning English with me. Guys, my goal is simple. As you know, I want to fluent in English and I want to speak English confidently. Guys, today I want to share my daily routine with you in English. Guys, this I hope this video is helpful for who are practicing English like me every day. Guys, let's get started. Guys, today I wake up early in the morning and I get up ready for my school. After brushing my teeth and taking a bath, I have my breakfast. After my breakfast, I go to school by cycle. Guys, when I was a small, I was going to school by cycle, by bus or van. But now when I am big, so I go to school by cycle. Guys, my school distance from my home 4 kilometer or 3 kilometer. So guys, I go to my school by cycle. Guys, when I reach my school on the time, I attend my all class and I listen my all teacher carefully. Guys, during the lunch break, I spend time with my friend and I am enjoying lots of things. Guys, after all of this, I came my home and I am making videos with you. Guys, this is my daily routine. Guys, today I am in also my field because this is my favorite place. I like to share my field and my green vegetable. These are radish. Guys, these are very big radish. Guys, these are radish and guys, these are spinach. Guys, these are spinach plant. Guys, these are spinach plant and guys, all you know, this is fenugreek plant. Guys, this is green vegetable and this is very helpful for you. Guys, I am just a beginner, so please don't judge me my English. Guys, I am just getting started. Bye guys.